Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to buy BNB on Binance step by step. First, you'll need to set up your Binance account. This involves a quick registration process, followed by identity verification, often called KYC, which ensures your account's security and compliance. Don't forget to enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of protection. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth and secure trading experience, laying the groundwork for your cryptocurrency journey on the platform. Once your account is ready, the next step is to fund it. You have several convenient options to deposit money. You can use traditional fiat currency methods, such as a bank transfer or a credit or debit card, to add funds directly. Alternatively, if you already own other cryptocurrencies, you can easily transfer them from an external wallet into your Binance account. Always check which deposit methods are available in your specific region for the best experience. Now for the exciting part, buying BNB. Head over to the Buy Crypto section on the Binance platform. Here, you will select BNB as the cryptocurrency you wish to acquire. Then, choose your payment method, whether it's a fiat currency you've deposited or another cryptocurrency you hold. Simply enter the desired amount of BNB you want to purchase, review the details, and confirm your transaction. It's a straightforward process designed for ease of use. After successfully purchasing BNB, you'll find it in your Binance Spot wallet. For quick access and trading, keeping it there is convenient. However, for long-term security, many users opt to transfer their BNB to a secure hardware wallet, offering enhanced protection against online threats. Remember, holding BNB also provides a fantastic benefit. You can use it to pay your trading fees on Binance and receive a 25% discount, saving you money on every trade.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.